Hello! Welcome to this short and practical C# tutorial series. You may be asking yourself, why should I learn C#? C# is one of the most popular and powerful programming languages in the world. From building Windows software to developing games with Unity, creating mobile apps, and even building websites, all of this is possible with C#. If you want to enter the world of programming or grow as a professional developer, C# can be your best choice. In this short and simple course, you will quickly and practically learn the core concepts of C#. So, are you ready? Let's get started.